Hello and welcome to our third tutorial on the Metatrader 4 platform from FIBO Group. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to install custom indicators and expert advisors. For beginners, it's a good idea to use the custom indicators from the MQL5 website, and I will leave a link where you can find the indicators in the description below the video. You can always add indicators from other places later on, or even create your own. After opening the MQL5 website, you need to click the Indicators tab and then choose an indicator, in our case RSI signal. You then need to find the file and click it, and then click Save and save it to your desktop. Now you need to find the file and right-click it, and then click Copy. After that, we need to come over to the Metatrader platform and click File, and then click Open Data Folder, and then click down on MQL4, and then we need to click the Indicators file, and then we need to right-click it, and then click Paste. And now we can see that our indicator is in the indicators list. After that, we need to close the Metatrader 4 platform, and then we need to come over and reopen it. After that, we need to come down under the Navigator panel and click the Indicators tab, and if we come down, we can see our RSI signal indicator in the list, and we can now drag it over to the chart and click OK, and it's ready for use. To add an expert advisor, it's pretty much the same way as adding a custom indicator, but with a few differences. You can find a list of expert advisors on the MT5 site as well, and I will provide a link for this in the video description. You need to come over under MT4 and click the Expert Advisors tab, and then choose an expert advisor, in our case Martingale Bone Crusher, and then find the link again and click it, and then click Save to save it to your computer. Once again, you need to find the file and right-click it, and then click Copy. We then need to come over to the Metatrader 4 platform and click File, click Open Data Folder, click MQL4 folder, and then click the Experts folder. We then right-click the mouse, and then we click Paste. And now we can see our new Expert Advisor is in the list. Once again, we need to close the Metatrader 4 platform and then reopen it. After we do that, we need to come over to the Navigator panel again and look down and click Expert Advisors, and if we look down we can see our Martingale Bone Crusher advisor in the list, which we can now drag over onto the chart and click OK. But if you'll notice, if we look up in the right corner here, we can see a smiley face which is actually not smiling, which means the Expert Advisor is not currently activated. To activate this, right-click anywhere on the mouse, choose Expert Advisors, Properties, make sure the Common tab is chosen, and we need to enable Allow Live Trading. Now click OK, and after that, we need to come to the top of the Metatrader platform and make sure the Auto Trading tab is enabled. Now we can see that the face is smiling, and that means our Expert Advisor is now enabled. Thank you for watching FIBO Group's tutorial in Metatrader about expert advisors and custom indicators, and I'll see you in the next lesson.